In front of me is Honor Magic6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then click on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Now just tap on any of your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current screen lock. Then use Edit button and change wherever you want to. Sorry, misclick. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!